Aiden said that the Blue Angels are coming, and I really want to see the Blue Angels. I don't know if we're gonna see any today. Oh my God, this stairwell is hot. Oh, ow.
Hey, it's me, Aiden.
Yeah.
And
Aiden, we don't care.
And we were actually in our backyard on our trampoline, and four of the Blue Angels flew over our head.
Yes, this is true.
Met the Blue Angels a couple times. I've met the drivers.
Stop bragging. Now, this is going to be the best time, so we're out watching for them again. We don't know if they're going to come, but they were right next to our trampoline. Like, if they went a little bit lower, they could have destroyed our whole trampoline. And us with it. Of course, you can't forget me, the most important person in the world. I need to sit in this grass, cut the sidewalk. It's burning me! So I'm sitting in the grass now. And I am ready. Chloe, are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm too zoomed in. She's ready.
I see one out in the distance.
Really?
Yeah.
Where?
Over there.
When you say over there, what do you mean?
But no, there's
nothing there.
Yes, there is. But I don't think. No, I'm pretty sure that's not it. I think that's a rocket.
Go to the police station. Report this. Report Aiden for false information.
Hey,
okay.
Sorry.
Report him. But anyway.
That's.
This is going to
rocket.
take a while. What? We don't know what he's talking about. I don't think there's anything interesting today. Aiden, anything interesting today?
Yeah, we actually could have died earlier.
That's not very interesting. It's kind of horrible. But anyway, that's a white van that lives here. Lovely white van. We're scared of it.
Yeah.
I'm scared of the white van.
I'm scared of rape.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Oh,
I hear them. Do you hear them? Oh, wait, I need to stand up. Are they coming back? No?
There's one over there.
Really? Where?
Over there.
Oh, there's one. Is there anything there?
They look like.
Wait. What?
I'm gonna go tell Mama.
Do you see anything?
I did. Now I don't anymore.
Who? And earlier, during breakfast, there was a whole, show. A giant show. God. It is so hot outside. Oh, want to see my, pet clown? He's just right there. So, yeah, my pet. That porch is, burning hot, so I cannot stand on it. But, yeah, talking clown, he's cool.
Yeah,
over
you
there.
are.
Aiden, please activate the clown.
I hear them coming.
You do? I don't hear anything. I hear the clown.
Yeah, I see one.
Real?
Yeah,
Realsies?
Frizzy. I just went behind that tree.
Oh, come on.
For your mom.
I can't look up. It's way too bright.
You have to go and do that, you mother.
Oh my God. Aiden, please.
See,
I'm going to put this on YouTube. Well, there's nothing today. We actually thought there's stuff interesting.
Come on. Phil.
I am. Whoa. Oh my God.
Don't quit the video.
I'm not.
You have to film the entire thing.
I filmed the entire thing.
You can miss out on crap like this.
Well, I guess I can't end the video yet. Because apparently, the Blue Angels want to come out surprise. So, yeah, that's happening. That's a Nerf gun. So, While we are waiting, we are going to hang out with Mr. Skellabone. We don't know how to turn it on. Really? Wait. Let's just do the skeleton. Isn't this amazing? Wait! Tell me when they're here! This is going to be our new waiting screen. Okay, that's it. That's it. The clown, or clown scarecrow, or...
They were up there.
Well, there's a bird up there now.
No, see it, it's over there.
Yeah, I see it.
No, not the bird. The jet.
What jet?
Oh my gosh, you keep missing it. You're a horrible filmer. Let me do it.
No.
I'm a better filmer.